It's our council tax, isn't it?
I assume that was the council. I thought the council did that.
I, again, would think it was up to maybe the local council to do that.
I wish I did.
Would you have something to say, Colin?
I might have something to say with the cobblestones and holes, yeah.
Repairs roads, I know, is the council. I'd assume diversions is the same thing.
I guess Manchester Council maybe, but again, that's just a complete guess, so.
It's the 10 Greater Manchester local councils who have responsibility for highways operations and maintenance.